Is there a body of water that you dream about or even visit regularly? It's Ruth, the violin teacher, and if you're a violin student who loves the water, I have just the Bowhold for you. It starts with dangling your legs in the water, which is one of the most relaxing things you could do. I don't swim very well, but I love to dangle my legs in the water. And then there's somebody over here floating on a raft, like one of those inflatable blow-up floaty mattresses. Yeah, you've seen those. And then the lifeguard up high on a chair, a high lifeguard chair. And down here, there is a snorkeler. Do you know what a snorkel is? It's like a giant goggle that goes over both your eyes with a mouthpiece, and attached to the mouthpiece is a straw that sticks straight up above the water so that you can get air even when you're down below the water, swimming about and exploring. It seems like the most fun thing. I've never done it, but it just really seems fun. And so this snorkel has to point straight up so that you get air. If it points to the side, you get nasty water in your mouth. I like fresh water, but pond water, lake water, sea water, pool water, those things are not appealing. And I don't want them in my lungs, certainly. That is not the place for water. Yes, so the snorkel points straight up. The legs dangling in the water, so relaxing. Floating on a raft, so relaxing. And the lifeguard is on high alert. I have a challenge for you. Find 5 times throughout the day where you can make 10 Bowholds. So in the morning, when you brush your hair, do 10 Bowholds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All you need is access to something long and skinny. Then when on your way to school, 10 Bowholds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then make them on your sunglasses on the way to the beach. You go to the beach every day, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while you're at the beach, you have an ice cream snack. Make them on your spoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you come home and you practice violin. Make them on your Bowhold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you do 10 Bowholds 5 times a day, you'll have done 50 Bowholds. And since you spread it throughout the day, it didn't take much extra time. Before the end of the month, you'll have done 1,000 Bowholds. Cool.